Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install AT4K Launcher on your Fire TV step by step. We'll cover how to download the launcher, install it, open it, and configure it so you can start using a much cleaner home screen. So, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your Fire TV. First, connect your Fire TV to the internet and go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, go to About, select your Fire TV device, and press the OK button several times until it appears. Then open Developer Options and enable permission to install apps from unknown sources for downloader. Step 2. Install Downloader. Now return to the Fire TV home screen. Go to the Find or Search option and search for Downloader. Select the official downloader application and install it on your Fire TV. Once the installation is complete, open Downloader. If Downloader asks for permission to access files or media on your device, allow the requested permission. Step 3. Download AT4K Launcher. Now we need to download the AT4K Launcher APK. AT4K is available from its official project sources, and the launcher is designed specifically for TV navigation using a remote. Inside Downloader, enter the AT4K download address provided in the tutorial resources. Then press Go. Downloader should begin downloading the AT4K APK file. Once the download finishes, select the APK file. Step 4. Install AT4K. You should now see the Android installation screen. Select Install. Wait a few moments while Fire TV installs AT4K Launcher. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an option to open the application. Select Done or Open. If you select Done, you can also delete the APK file afterward to save storage space. Step 5. Open AT4K Launcher. Now open AT4K Launcher. The first thing you'll notice is that the interface looks very different from the standard Fire TV home screen. AT4K focuses on a simple, TV-friendly interface with your applications organized in a clean layout. The launcher is designed for remote navigation, so you can move around the interface using the directional buttons and select an app with the OK button. You can also organize your applications and move the apps you use most frequently toward the top. Conclusion. And that's it. That's how you can install and set up AT4K Launcher on a compatible Fire TV device. If you prefer a clean and simple interface instead of the standard Fire TV home screen, AT4K is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.